What if I told you that as a student in Nigeria, you could be making 20,000 naira to 50,000 naira every single month with crypto without missing a single class? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how, so stay with me. Welcome back to Dammy. I am Dammy, a crypto trader with over 1 year of experience, and on this channel, I help beginners as a student make real money with crypto. Today we are starting something special, the student edition series. Every episode is designed specifically for Nigerian students who want to make money with crypto alongside their studies. No complicated strategies, no big capital, just practical steps you can start today. So let's get into it. First, let me answer the big questions. Can a student actually make 20k to 50k monthly with crypto? The answer is yes, and I will tell you why. You don't need to trade all days. CFD trading can take as little as 30 minutes to 1 hour per day. You can trade in the morning before lecture or in the evening after school. Your phone is all you need to get started, and you don't need millions. You can start with as little as 5,000 naira when you want to start with CFD trading. Let me break down the number for you. So if you are targeting 20,000 naira per month, that is just 5,000 naira per week. That's less than 700 naira per day in profit. So if you are targeting 50,000 naira per month, that's about 12,500 naira per week. Still very achievable with the right strategy. Now, I'm not promising you overnight riches. Trading has risk, but with consistency and discipline, these numbers are 100% realistic. Here is everything you need as a student to get started. See, number one, a smartphone. That is for equipment. Then number two is that you need a Solzity account. It's free to create. There's a link to a tutorial to it in the description of this video. Then number three, starting capital, or 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira. This is your trading money only. Use what you can avoid. That's it. Then number four is a simple strategy, which I'm going to teach you throughout this series. Then number five is discipline. This is the most important one. No emotion, no greedy. I hope you are getting me. So here is a simple daily schedule that works around your lectures. Like around 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. you can check the market, then place trade before going to school. Around 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. maybe you have break, then manage, open another trade, and around 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. at evening, then check the analysis. If you can still enter the trade or plan for tomorrow morning. So that's less than 2 hours a day. That's totally manageable as a student, right? So there you have it. Making 20,000 naira to 50,000 naira monthly as a student with crypto is 100% possible. You just need the right knowledge, the right strategy, and the discipline to stay consistent. In the next episode of this student edition, I'm going to show you the exact CFD trading strategy I use, step by step. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification button so you don't miss it. If you are a student watching this right now, drop a comment below and tell me how much do you want to make monthly with crypto. I read every comment. Like this video if it's helpful, share it with a fellow student, and I will see you in the next one.